Hi everyone. Today I will be walking into fireworks. People say this is dangerous, but I say, who cares? Dun, 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 dun.
My God! Police, police, police. Gotta call the police.
Oh, wait, hold on. Wait, what's it? I'm getting a call. Who's calling me at like 12 a.m.? Hello?
Hello? Somebody just died. They walk into fireworks.
What? Where?
Near the pool. Near the community pool.
Okay, hold on. I'll be there in a little bit.
Okay.
Alright, so apparently someone was walking to a pile of fireworks. I don't know what they were thinking, to be honest with you, so. Alright, I gotta get over there. So they said by the pool. Oh,
Here.
yep, they're jumping. Okay, let me get my stretcher out. Oh, God. Oh, my God. Um, they look to be burnt to a crisp.
Good. Okay.
Is there even a heartbeat? I don't.
Doesn't that thing go in your ears?
It's my first day on the job. Don't question my antics.
In your
Um.
hair?
Oh, shut up. Okay, so. Listen for a heartbeat here, and. Yeah, this person's dead.
Oh.
I think they kind of died on the spot.
You think?
Oh, look, there's a camera here. That's perfect. I can review the footage. I'm gonna take a look at this footage right here, and yep, they kind of just burnt themselves. They kind of just did it themselves.
He,
Hold
oh.
on,
So you meant,
let me get my protocols for my ambulance real quick to see what we have to do in this situation. Hold on.
don't you have to
Uh,
take them to the graveyard?
the graveyard. I mean, no, I think the hospital wanted to actually look through their body first. So
That's weird.
says to take them to the hospital so doctors can look at them. You witnessed this thing, correct?
No, I did not witness it. I was
Uh,
over here sitting.
well, you are the one who dialed in the 911. So can you sign this form for us,
Yeah.
saying that you acknowledge what happened?
Yeah.
Thanks.
Okay. Here you go.
Thanks. I'm gonna go
You're
put
not
this.
welcome.
Huh?
Huh?
All right. Yeah, we're gonna need to like shut this place down. I don't know what they were thinking, to be honest. Let me get them to the hospital real quick.
Okie dokie.
What are some of these people thinking?
Oh.
Let's put them on the stretcher. Perfect. I'm gonna head over to the hospital and see what we have to do.
Okay.
Man, I've never had somebody light themselves on fire with fireworks before. This is definitely a new one. Hey, doctor. Alrighty, let's put them down onto the bed. So let's double check, make sure there is zero pulse. I heavily expect there to have the no pulse. Okay. Make that a pulse of 0. Yeah, so we're just gonna cover this up, and and we're and then we're just gonna have to go from there. So hold on. All right, so somebody dispatched me apparently. Somebody lit themselves on fire with fireworks over here. I'm a sucky driver. Good God. Okay. That's interesting. So I need to like put this tape up. How do I put tape up? I've never done it before. Yeah. I can't do that anyway. So let me look at this real quick. Interesting. So you're saying that's the witness over there, Hey ma'am.
Yes.
So, do you quite know what happened over here with this scene?
No, all I know is she watched the video and walked into the fireworks and died.
Huh. That's pretty unfortunate for 4th of July. It's a beautiful night. Well, we're gonna have to review this evidence here. Can I get you to sign this form saying that you acknowledge what happened?
Yep. Okay.
Thank you.
Mm-hmm.
And I'm gonna head back down to the station. I'm gonna file this in. Just gonna speed a little bit.
Okay.
Do a good parking job here. Boom. Alright, let me go ahead and put this into the database. Do that real quick. Police report, put that in. And I guess we'll just focus on that later because I don't know what just happened.